What's up, guys? My name is Josh. Today we are on the Carnival Sunshine and we are about to dock in Aruba. We are way down under here in Aruba. Let me take you outside and show you really quick. Now we're not here yet. It is it's 12:13 right now, and but we are arriving on the oil rig. So you know what that means? I do need to get upstairs because that is a sign that we're almost to Aruba. Unfortunately, the seas are a little bit rough this morning. The captain has actually come on and announced that we're going to be arriving about 30 to 45 minutes late. So we'll be getting there. I think we were originally supposed to get there at 1, and we'll be getting there I think like 1:30 or 1:45 or something. So you know, it is what it is. Whatever, you can't control it. But at least, you know, we're still going to dock today, and I mean, you know. Go ahead and knock on wood right now. This morning we're just having some fruit for breakfast and, well, brunch, I guess. You know, this was from Kenneth Mintz yesterday. I think that's how you say his name. Thank you so much, buddy. We went ahead and we had the cheese yesterday, but we couldn't, you know, you can't save cheese. And quick heads up of a few things happening around the ship for you that you definitely do not want to miss in our preparation, of course, for before we arrive in Aruba. But of course, we need to get you there safely, which is always our #1 priority. Now, of course, folks, we will get you there eventually, and I will let you know exactly when it is time to come on down. I do need to reiterate, please do not make your way to the gangway until you hear my announcement. Yeah, that's just the, you know, first time cruiser thing. Don't go down to the gangway till they tell you. Alright, so anyway, so yeah, there you heard it. We're gonna be late, 30, 45 minutes, whatever, yada yada yada. We ate the cheese, what we could yesterday, but then we had to, you know, we had to put the rest of it out because you can't save cheese. It's not gonna, you know, it's gonna smell and it's gonna stink. And our fridge definitely would not hold that giant plate. I mean, it barely holds this bowl. This bowl is about, oh, it's about that big, and the plate was like both of these bowls together. So we ate what we could of the cheese. We put all the fruit that we could in here, and we stuck it right in here, just like that. Shut the door. Boom! Look at that. That bowl is perfect. So thank you, Carnival, for giving us that extra bowl, because otherwise we would have been screwed. So we're just munching down on this fruit a little bit this morning, and like I said, I'm getting ready to head up right now. I just saw the oil rigs out there, so that's always a sign that you're getting close to Aruba. Okay, so this morning we have a catamaran excursion booked. We're gonna be going out. It's like a catamaran sail and snorkel. They're supposed to be taking us to some really nice places. Hopefully the water will calm down a little bit, because there is definitely some white caps out there. A lot of them. I've already taken my bony. You guys remember the last time we were in Aruba, back on the Vista, we did a catamaran. We weren't supposed to. We were supposed to go scuba diving, but we ended up doing, oh, it wasn't a catamaran. It was like a, it was a nice boat, but I got seasick. I got seasick really, really bad. So I took some boning. I'm gonna take some with us this morning, just in case, you know, you don't wanna, I would hate to be sick our whole Aruba trip. So, gonna get upstairs right now. Let's go see if we can see anything of Aruba. Let's do it. It's so windy. I hope we're able to like dock. Like, I'm genuinely getting nervous here. We better be able to dock. Look at this water though. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Is that not so gorgeous? Oh. We're here. We're in Aruba. Peter's first time. You excited? So we're gonna grab some lunch before we head out. We're gonna grab some lunch here on the ship. Our excursion is supposed to meet at 2 o'clock on the pier. Now, Carnival did give us priority disembarkation of the vessel, but we had to meet there at between 1 and 1:15. I think it was in the sunset or sunrise or something, and we're not there. It's 1:23, so I think we're just gonna disembark ourselves after we eat, of course. So we're gonna take a look at the buffet, right? Yeah. Okay, let's do that. Let's see what they got. Let's see what they got here.
Rice and black eyed peas. Shrimp calamari fritters. What? That's interesting. Chipotle chicken. Pumpkin hash stuffed tomato. Loaded potato. Crunchy chicken tenders. I don't know, Peter.
I don't know if I'm feeling anything here.
Yeah, the roasted turkey looks good. That looks delicious, actually. I don't know. Maybe we'll. Maybe I'll get a few things from here, and then we can do. Want to do a guy's burger?
Let's do that.
Okay, yeah. Let's. So really quick, we grabbed. I grabbed a guy's burger, and Peter grabbed some blue iguana. Now I also did grab just a couple items from the buffet. So they actually had some roasted turkey. It looked absolutely amazing. Check that out. I've taken a bite of it already. I can resist. It is super, super yummy, very delicious. And then the chicken tenders, of course, as always. Those are really, really good. So we're gonna eat up here. It's 1:35 right now. We do have to be down on the pier at 2 o'clock. So we're gonna eat up really fast, go back to the room, grab our stuff, which I think it'll be a few minutes delayed. And then we're gonna get down to the pier. So we gotta hurry though either way. Back down here in the room really, really quick. We have to get like all the sunscreen and the GoPro and all that stuff and get changed into bathing suits. And then we're heading down. Our excursion that's gonna depart at 2. There's no way. We literally just docked 4 minutes ago. It's 1:50. So there's no way it's gonna depart at 2. But we are still gonna try and rush and get off, as fast as we can. I do want to show you guys though. Look at this. So this is the opposite view. This is not the deck view or the port view. Just breathtaking. Oh, look at the oil rigs out there and everything. Wow. So beautiful. Okay, all right. We gotta go. We gotta go. All right, we're done. We're out of here. Bye, beautiful room. See you later. Love you lots. All right, it is time check.
It is 2:11.
2:11. We're heading downstairs right now. Hopefully the gangway will be a little bit more clear. I think it should be. I hope it is. Uh-oh, I hear the crowd. Maybe not. Nope, not yet. We're off Aruba. We are here. Oh. Photo time.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're going back to the other side.
Oh my goodness. There's our ship.
Been on that
Wow.
thing for 2 days.
Yeah. That's awesome. Oh look, it's Potato Head. We're in the terminal building here. They have all the shops. They funnel you right through. Right as you get off the ship, they funnel you right through those shops. Yeah, buy stuff, buy stuff, buy stuff. We gotta find it. It's usually out here is where they meet. Right out here in this open area. Okay, let's see. Yep. Hi there.
Hi guys.
Hello.
Okay guys, keep the waivers, follow the group.
So this is the same place that we went to in 2016, but it was super foggy and you couldn't see anything.
Oh, yeah, I saw a lot of fish.
Yeah, no, there was a lot of fish, a lot of coral.
Yeah.
I think I got some really good shots of it. It was fun here.
Yeah.
I'm ready to get back on the boat though. I need a drink.
A few moments later.
Bye. That was spot number 1. So much fun out there. I had a blast. What about you?
Yeah.
It was beautiful, yeah. So we're just heading right out here, just a little bit of ways away. We're going to the Antilla now. So this is that freighter that kind of sunk on its side, and it's gorgeous. Can't wait. I can't wait for you to see it. It's gonna be fun. I need a drink though. I need a drink really, really bad.
Not a parrot, huh?
This was right there? What?
It's about this long.
I did see that thing. Can I get a Coke? Yeah, right. Are you ready to go see the Antilla?
Yeah.
You seem so excited. Are you tired already?
No, I'm fine.
You better not be. Nap time. No, not nap time. It's time to explore, get adventurous.
Here he is. He looks exhausted. There he is. Here he comes. The lifeguard's coming back to the ship.
I'm here.
We're all chicken rum punch on here.
Oh yeah?
We're all too tired.
That was a ton of fun. Wow. So yeah, I'd recommend the snorkeling, wouldn't you? That was cool. That was really good. Did you get to see the shipwreck?
I couldn't make it there.
It is rough today. It is very rough today. It's very rough today. Yeah.
I was just telling them that I didn't like this part. It was way too rough.
Really? Oh, I did.
Too wavy.
I did.
I didn't like it.
Well, but I mean, the tour operators can't control the waves. You know, that's the ocean. It's gonna be different on the day, you know. So you can't judge the excursion based off of today's waves. I promise it will be different. You know, the ocean changes.
It was so windy today. That was the
yeah,
problem.
the waves change. So. We're gonna head back on the ship a little bit, kind of get refreshed, maybe change some clothes because my shirt is soaking wet, and then we're gonna maybe come back out and explore a little bit. Wow, look at this, guys. Just missed the sunset here. We're I have no idea what time it is. It's sometime, I would imagine 6. Oh, okay, it's 6:56. It was on the TV. It's 6:56. The sun has just set here in Aruba. Now, we're here until 11 o'clock tonight. So, I think we're actually going to go back out in just a few minutes and kind of check out the nightlife and everything. Maybe explore. I don't know if we'll have dinner out there or dinner on the ship. But this is just breathtaking. Look at that. There's the oil rigs way out there, and wow, just gorgeous. Overall, just a really great time out on the excursion today. I would recommend that. It was through the Carnival. It was a Carnival cruise. It was a sail and snorkel. We went to 2 snorkel stops, and they had music. They had an open bar. on the ship. So really overall, just a fantastic excursion. I don't remember the price, guys, but definitely head over to Carnival's website, check that one out, and come on out and do it. The water was a little rocky today, but it certainly isn't like that every day, so I'm sure you'll have tons of fun. Okay, next time, look at the city all lit up. Also the perfect spot to get ran over. Look at that, old telephone booth and dock. Wow. We'll see our ship at night. So pretty. I'm dying. Oh, he said y'all. Pilot advises the captain. Nice job advising.